Alright, so in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to do the closed captions on Moodle slides. First things first is on your laptop, you need to do the InstaShare 2, so that way that you can either mirror displays to your BenQ from your laptop or extend screens. You cannot do this directly just from opening the slides on your BenQ. So I have already InstaShared, so this is actually an extension of my laptop. And I noticed the difference because down here when I go through my slides, I can see those three dots, the snowman, the kebab. When you open up Google Slides through just BenQ, those three dots are not there. So you want to make sure those three dots are there. And when you click on it, you'll notice down here it says Captions and Preferences. You can click on that. And then it says Toggle on Captions. And you can do text position and size. Right now it only does English. I like to do extra large or large, and then I like to have mine at the bottom. So to toggle that on and turn it on, all I have to do is up here is just click that, and now I will notice that my BenQ is having the subtitles at the bottom. It is not 100% perfect. It is picking up the microphone though on your laptop. So the closer you are to your laptop, the better the accuracy is going to be. But this is pretty cool to have in your room and to use as an accommodation, as an assistive teaching technology.